apologizing for what I say, and I really don't like explaining a lot of times, but I will, because I understand some people don't fully get it when you speak outside the box and you just speak directly. They think you talking about them or picking them out or something. When I talk about taking something, I'm talking about if you living off credit, whoever you buying it from, whoever you renting it from can come take that shit. But if you own it, they can't come take that shit. So what I mean, me being country, I mean, I learned how to hustle where I own everything. I don't worry about nobody coming taking, repoing, nothing. You see what I'm saying? That's what I mean about that. So the concept of me saying anybody that's from the city who might look down and might say certain things because you might, talk a little proper or might live at a different area code or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And you might say this and this, but the grinders are those who independent from the South. They know how to get a bag and know how to sustain a bag and know how to feed their family.